Alright guys, welcome back to my channel, and as you can see, the Ford again. So what's going on? As you've seen a week or so ago, I changed these brake pads. It was a pretty easy install, but probably 3-4 days later, this is what happened. I have my brake line snapping, right? So yesterday and today I've been driving like this. I just pinched the line, so only the left wheel was braking on front. I know this is not something you want to do, but I had to use the truck for work, so I had to improvise till the part didn't arrive. I got it from CarQuest. I mean, I ordered it from eBay, but that's what I got. So today I'm gonna replace this line that goes all the way to the caliper, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. It's pretty straightforward removal and install. So yeah, let's do this together. All right, so first we're gonna remove this 14mm right here. Alright, so we remove that. Fluid is gonna leak out. Make sure you put something underneath if you're gonna keep it. If not, just throw it. Anyway, we're gonna continue to this line right here. This is a 10mm right here, and then the 11mm right here. We're gonna leave this 10mm for now, so we can disconnect this one. We're gonna have some leverage. We're gonna spray it. Alrighty. Here we go. Put the pen underneath, because we're gonna for sure get some oil right here. Right, now we're going to remove the 10mm right here. Alright, and this line can now drop. There it is, the line is out. There is one more bolt right here that I didn't remove because I previously already did it. So now we're gonna connect our 10mm back again. Alright, so we got a line. We're gonna put it back, put the 10mm in, and we're gonna tighten it. Okay. Okay, that's good. Now we got our line right here. We're gonna lift it and put it inside. get our 11 mil and hopefully manage to screw it in first time. It looks like it's going. Without cross-threading it, you don't want to do that. Alright, now all we have to do is connect this part right here to the brake. Right here, we got this banjo. Make sure you change the copper washer, put it through, put the brand new one on the other side. And these you can get from Harbor Freight. They have a set. We just have to figure out how this goes, because it won't go like this. The only way to do it is this way. Okay. Alright. And now, this one is kind of weird. We can take it off this one. Alright, so we got this one now. Install it right here. All right, a little bit better. Here we go. Alrighty, guys. So clean it a little bit, and that's pretty much it, guys. Pretty straightforward install. Like I said, I did have problems with this line, but because it's kind of weird, but hey, it's working now, and it's all installed. What's left to do is start bleeding the brakes, of course, and that you want to start from back to the forward, from the furthest wheel to the closest to you. So I'm gonna do that next. I already purchased the brake fluid, so that's next. I might make a video about that as well. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like it, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.